Need to take your biking experience to the next level? Discover these must-have bike gadgets that will revolutionize your rides, from bike alarm to helmets and more. Number 10. Bike Handlebar Extender. An innovative bike handlebar extender features a USB rechargeable light with 2400 lumens, a phone mount, a cycling computer mount, and a built-in 10,000 mAh power bank. Made of durable aluminum, it is waterproof with an IPX65 rating, ensuring protection in harsh weather. The ultra-bright LED headlight has 6 modes and a 120-degree wide angle, illuminating up to 1,000 feet ahead. It charges in 6 hours and can last up to 34 hours, doubling as a power bank for emergencies. The phone mount fits most phones up to 7 inches and is easy to install. Included are the front light, handlebar extender, speedometer holder, phone bracket, power bank, and USB cable. This adaptable gadget offers great value and safety for cycling enthusiasts. Number 9. WSD Cam Bike Alarm. This wireless alarm offers strong protection for bikes, electric bikes, motorcycles, and scooters. With a powerful 113 decibel alarm and adjustable sensitivity levels, it effectively deters theft. The alarm is controlled remotely, with a strong range of up to 66 feet, making it easy to use. It features 3 volume settings and is IP55 waterproof, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. The built-in vehicle search function helps locate your bike in crowded parking lots with 3 different bell sounds. The well-made design incorporates battery-saving technology and advanced sensor capabilities, ensuring high-quality performance. The all-round alarm system is suitable for a range of vehicles, providing peace of mind and enhanced security. The package includes the alarm, remote control, and easy installation instructions, offering excellent value for those seeking reliable protection. Number 8. MHE Bike Frame Box Lockable. For those long rides, this bike frame box offers 2 liters of space to hold essentials like phones, power packs, repair kits, and more. Made from durable ABS plastic, it features a secure 3-digit code lock to keep valuables safe. The box mounts firmly to the frame with a metal bracket, ensuring stability even on rough terrain. Unique in design, it includes a data cable hole for charging devices on the go and comes with a rain cover to protect contents from the elements. Installation is straightforward, requiring no extra tools and completing in just 4 steps. This practical and reliable accessory is perfect for cyclists and scooter riders, making it a thoughtful gift for any bike enthusiast. The combination of ample storage, security, and ease of use makes it an excellent addition to any biking setup. Number 7. Uple MultiFunctional Bike Speaker. An innovative bike accessory features a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker delivering clear, high-quality sound with various music input options like TF card, U-Disc, and AUX. Users can control it easily with multifunctional keys. The device includes a patented phone mount that ensures stability even during intense rides and is adjustable for different phone sizes. It also has bright headlights with 3 modes, including a flash mode, and offers up to 7 hours of illumination. Additionally, the bike accessory includes a loud adjustable horn with 3 sound modes. The built-in 5000 mAh battery provides 6 to 7 hours of light, 12 to 15 hours of music, and 4 to 5 hours when using both. An integrated microphone allows for hands-free calls while cycling, enhancing safety and convenience. Number 6. Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. In this innovative tire pressure gauge, the backlit LCD and lighted nozzle provide clear visibility in low light. Designed to ensure proper tire pressure, it helps reduce wear and extend tire life with accurate digital readings. The nozzle easily seals with Schrader valves and can adapt to press to stems, offering precise measurements in 0.1 increments across 4 settings. Simply press the on-unit off button to activate, choose the range, and the device will automatically turn off in 30 to 40 seconds to conserve power. The non-slip texture and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold for both men and women. The gauge resets automatically after each use, requiring no calibration. A battery is included, making it a perfect gift for car enthusiasts and versatile for use with cars, trucks, motorcycles, and bicycles. Number 5. Leeson Bike Phone Holder. A bike phone holder by Leeson ensures your smartphone stays securely attached to the handlebar, whether you're on rough terrain or cruising at high speeds. Its unique design provides stable support for your phone's corners, while a robust locking mechanism adds extra security, allowing you to focus solely on your ride. Unlike typical holders that require multiple tools and layers of silicone for installation, Leeson's holder simplifies the process with embedded silicone that attaches and tightens in just 5 seconds. The holder's shockproof features, including non-slip cushions and a silicone pad, protect your phone and bike from scratches and vibrations, even during off-road adventures. Compatible with phones ranging from 4.5 to 7 inches and fitting handlebars from 0.6 to 1.57 inches in diameter, this versatile mount is ideal for bikes, motorcycles, scooters, and electric bikes alike. Number 4. RhinoWalk Bike Handlebar Bag. For cyclists seeking creativity, the RhinoWalk Bike Handlebar Bag serves as both a handy handlebar accessory and a convenient shoulder bag. Easily attachable with snap closures on each side, it offers quick mounting and dismounting from your bike. A detachable shoulder strap adds portability off the bike. Constructed from durable twill fabric, this bag withstands outdoor wear and tear, featuring a robust nylon mesh core for added resilience. Secured by 3 adjustable rail systems and non-slip soft leather straps, it stays stable and minimizes friction against the handlebar. Ideal for storing essentials, the bag's main compartment provides ample space for small items like cell phones or wallets. Sized at 9.85 by 3.55 by 7.48 inches and weighing just 0.8 pounds, it's lightweight yet spacious enough for daily cycling needs. RhinoWalk ensures quality, emphasizing their dedication to bike bags for customer satisfaction. Number 3. RockBros Bike Frame Bag. This bike frame bag is black, large, and made of durable nylon. It has a large capacity to store essential items like a wallet, energy gels, an inner tube, a mobile phone, gloves, repair tools, and a power bank. Constructed from 840D nylon, it is highly resistant to abrasion and maintains its shape with stiff sidewalls, ensuring stability. The surface is made of TPU material, and it features a waterproof zipper to keep the contents dry. Its long, slim design provides a comfortable ride without hindering knee movement. The bag is portable and easy to carry when not attached to the bike. Installation is simple and tool-free thanks to the adjustable hook and loop design, making it compatible with various MTB road bikes. Number 2. Aboa Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. In a sleek gloss black finish, the Aboa Full Face Motorcycle Helmet ensures lightweight durability with its ABS shell and EPS liner. Designed to meet or exceed FMVSS 218 and DOT safety standards, it offers reliable protection for motorcyclists. Optimal ventilation is provided through multiple vents, while a quick-release metal buckle enhances security. The helmet features removable and washable inner liners that are breathable and absorb sweat for comfort during long rides. A tinted shield with UV protection complements its glossy exterior, ensuring visibility and style. Additionally, the helmet includes a detachable nose protector for customization according to your preferences. Ideal for motorcycling enthusiasts, Aboa emphasizes both safety and comfort in their helmet design, catering to the needs of riders who prioritize protection on the road. Number 1. Bigu Motorcycle Lock Chain. An advanced motorcycle lock chain by Bigu offers robust security features. Crafted from tough 3-ton manganese steel with a 12mm square link design, it withstands up to 8 kN tension and 17 kN shear force, ensuring maximum cut resistance. Wrapped in a scratch-proof, water-resistant nylon sleeve, the 60-inch chain protects surfaces from damage while securing your valuables. The lock includes a sturdy U-lock made of 14mm zinc alloy with PVC coating, resistant to cutting and leverage attacks, enhancing motorcycle safety. 4 ergonomic stainless steel keys ensure durability and reliable operation, featuring a versatile length suitable for locking multiple motorcycles or other items like lawnmowers and sports equipment. This lock is ideal for various security needs. It's a practical gift for anyone needing reliable theft protection for their belongings, combining heavy-duty construction with user-friendly features for peace of mind. Thanks for watching.